Hey everyone, it's your girl Z or Zahara, whatever you want to call me, and today I have an exciting little video. But first I want to apologize for not uploading in like 2 months, but I've been so busy with work and finishing school. But I am going to be trying to make more videos for you guys. I have an exciting video for you guys today. I just wanted to tell everyone, or to show everyone, my little lash company that I just started. I just launched it, I think 3 weeks ago, and it's on Instagram. You can follow me at MInkQueenLashes, and I will have everything linked below. Today it's just a little video to introduce you guys to my little lash company. I'm just going to show you my products that I'm going to be selling. If you guys wanted to see a video of how I actually started this company, like everything I did to start the company, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely do a video for that. I'm actually wearing one of my lashes today. This is the style Sri Lanka, and these are 25mm lashes, and look at that, they're so cute. But yeah, I have 25mm lashes and I have 15mm lashes, and I also sell lip glosses, and I will show you those too. But first I'm going to show you my lashes. So I have 10 styles of lashes all together. I have 5 15mm lashes that come in this little cute round case, and the 25mm lashes come in like this holographic box, and these are my samples, so these will be labeled and everything. But yes, so I'm just going to show you the 10 lashes that I have, plus the 3 lip glosses. Also, I'm going to show you the 15mm lashes, and these right here, this right here is the style Storm, and these are super cute. It's not coming out good on here, but these are Storm. The next style that I'm going to be showing you guys is Barbiana. Storm, and here's Barbiana. And then this style right here is Queenie. This one is just more full and dramatic, but it's still like not as dramatic as this one. But yeah, these are Queenie, and a lot of people like these ones. So yeah, that's Queenie. And this right here is Rain. And my logo will be right here in the middle for these ones. But this is Rain. Let's see if I can get this to focus on here. But like I said, this part I'll have a video covered over anyway. And the last pair of my 15mm lashes, this is Video Vixen. And a lot of these styles I have are kind of similar to the ones, my 25mm lashes, but the 25mm lashes are longer, as you can tell. But here's Video Vixen. And these are all available on my site, or you can visit my Instagram at MInkQueenLashes. Now onto my 25mm lashes. This is the style Dubai. Let's see if I can see them better like this. China. This is Miami. And this is Atlanta. Okay, so for the lip glosses, I have 3 different types of lip gloss. I have 2 glitter lip glosses and then just 1 regular like tinted lip gloss. I mean, it has a little bit of shimmer, but not so much. But the first one I actually have on my lips right now, and it's called Glitter Bomb. Next lip gloss that I have is called Pretty Bitch, because it makes you feel like a pretty bitch. Let me stop. But yeah, this one's like a pink glitter one. So I have Pretty Bitch right here. Lip gloss I have is called Lip Gloss Poppin', and like I said, it has like shimmer, a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's not like glitter, but it's just like a little neutral colored one. This one is Lip Gloss Poppin'. I'm so excited to show you guys my products, and if you're interested, feel free to follow me on Instagram, check out my website, and let me know what other products you guys want to see, any other videos you guys want to see. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to make sure that you see my videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.